this is how to remove the one-piece plates on the original PlayStation 5. What we're gonna wanna do is rotate it like this so we can lift up on this corner and then give it a good shove right here. I'm gonna hit it with my hand, just like that. And then the plate is removed. They have these little hooks right here all throughout this top case, and they go in all these little grooves right here. So to install it, we need to line up all of those grooves, and what we need to do is offset it a little bit when we install it. So I'm not gonna put it right on where I think it should go. I'm gonna move it back a little bit and then kind of slide it on, just like that. Once I feel it kind of stop right there, then I just need to give a good shove on this end until I hear it click in. For the bottom plate, it's essentially the same thing. You know, lift up on this edge, hit it on the side, just like that, and now it's removed. We've got the same system here. All of these clips fit into all of these holes right here. So same thing, I'm gonna kind of set it on here, not quite where I think it should go, and then let it slide into place, just like that. Then I'm gonna hit this end with my hand until I hear it clip into place. That is how to remove and install the one-piece plates on the original PlayStation 5.